In this video, I'm going to show you how to do couching on your sewing machine. Every single Wednesday, I show you how to use your sewing machine and simple sewing tips and tricks. So as you can see, I've hooped this fabric up and it's just so I can move it about really easily. I've also drawn a template of a heart onto my fabric just so I can guide my thread around really easily. I also have this twine that I'm going to be using. I did use some embroidery floss, but I found it to be a little bit too thin. So you want something like a yarn to do the couching with. So the couching setting is setting number 44 and it's foot J, and these are the factory settings. If you need to make it wider or skinnier, then you can do so with your settings. I'm going to leave them exactly how they are. So I'm just going to set myself up here with the end of this twine, and I'm just going to get it under my presser foot, and I'm going to drop it down, and I'm going to leave it in the needle down position. I'm basically just going to follow the design of my heart, and I'm just going to start stitching all the way around. Now you can go as fast or as slow as you want. Around these tight curves, it gets a little bit more tricky. I'm going to turn around. I'm going to go all the way down here. You would obviously take a bit more time doing this, but I'm just going really quick for this demonstration. So I'm just going to follow all the way along here with my pencil line for the outline of this heart. Have I got your brain thinking about all the things that you could do with this? You could put this on a card. So my fingers were in the way there. Going to keep going all the way around. Obviously just gets a bit more trickier as you're going around these tighter corners. Move this out of the way. Could turn this around. They do actually come with couching feet, so you can get that from your sewing machine supplier, because I have seen them. I'm going to come all the way around here. I'm just going to finish this heart off here. Oh, just come over a little bit. And I'm just going to reinforce that stitch in. Like seriously, how cute is this? And it took me no time at all. You could put this on paper. You could make like little tags for birthday presents or Christmas presents. Like, it's endless. How quick and easy and simple was this to make? Let me know in them comments down below if this project has inspired you to do a project, and let me know what you're going to put it on. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss seeing me next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.